Well, here we are. We're out at Club Villas. That's 3049 McDonald. And what we have done here is we have fixed the gate door. So if you had seen it before, you would have noticed that it definitely did not latch like that. It was hitting up here, and now it's shutting beautifully. Basically took the door completely off, brought it to the shop. We replaced this entire board here and that entire board down there across the bottom. So in replacing those two, it squared it up. And I actually had to put a couple extra screws in some various places. And then the new hinges, stainless steel of course, has now snugged it up, squared it up. I'm going to put a spring on it. But as you can see, it works beautifully.